In my research, I found that a lot of mitochondrial diseases affect the eyes, and I started to do more and more research on it until I found enough to do my project on it. It's actually a very interesting topic to me. The reason why most mitochondrial disorders affect the eyes is that the eyes use a lot of ATP. Most mitochondrial diseases will affect the eyes, leading to things like blindness or general eye strain. Most mitochondrial eye diseases have no cure. This is because most mitochondrial disorders affect the DNA that creates mitochondria. This is a major issue because if you don't have enough mitochondria, then your body can't undergo enough cellular respiration for you to do what your body needs. Think about it. How often do you use your eyes on a daily basis? In order to do anything with our eyes, it requires ATP. Cellular respiration occurs when you have enough oxygen and glucose. It occurs in the mitochondria and in the cytoplasm, and starts with glycolysis, which turns glucose into pyruvate, which will then undergo the Krebs cycle, which will make 2 ATP. Then it goes through the ECT, or electron transport chain. This will make 34 ATP, and ECT occurs in the mitochondria. Now, if you don't have enough mitochondria to perform cellular respiration, you can't make enough ATP. Depending on where your mitochondria is lacking, it will have different effects. But it affects our eyes because our eyes are some of the most used organs in our bodies. They tend to need more ATP than other muscles, which is why the diseases have such a big effect on everyday life. For example, chronic progressive external ophthalmia. The disease is caused by a lack of DNA for mitochondria through either hereditary issues or exposure to nuclear materials. This disease causes symptoms like droopy eyelids, or by the scientific name, bilateral post-crisis, which is when both of your eyelids begin to droop. Another symptom of it is ophthalmoplegia, which is when both of your eyes become paralyzed. More specifically, the paralysis of the muscles that help move your eyes. There is no cure for it, however, they do make special glasses to help with the drooping eyelids. Another disease that affects both the eyes and the mitochondria is mitochondrial retinal disease. This occurs when the mitochondria in your photoreceptors gets disrupted and your eyes can't make enough ATP to see properly. This disease has no cure. However, glasses can be prescribed to help with the vision issues. The mitochondria really is the powerhouse of the cell. I mean, without mitochondria in your eyes, you'll likely go blind or partially blind. The reason why this happens is that the eyes need more energy. For example, if you were to have a lack of mitochondria in your skin cells, it isn't going to have that big of an effect as it will on your eyesight. In conclusion, it isn't that most mitochondrial diseases affect the eyes, it is that the eyes can become affected the most easily.